The Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan is a great option for your kitchen. It comes in a sleek black color. The 8.5-inch size is perfect for cooking smaller meals. You can easily sauté vegetables or fry an egg. The pan feels sturdy and well made. It arrived safely in its box. And there were no surprises. The non-stick surface of the Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan is truly impressive. Food seems to glide effortlessly across the pan. This makes cooking and cleaning much easier. I don't have to worry about food sticking and potentially scratching the surface. The handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This is important for safety while cooking. It's a reliable tool, and it makes cooking less of a chore. Overall, the Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan is a worthwhile addition to any home chef's supplies. It heats evenly, and the nonstick coating performs as promised. While it's not related to COVID-19 or CDs or wipes, it is a kitchen essential. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use frying pan, this is a fantastic option. It simplifies cooking and cleanup, and that's a big win in my book. Pros: durable build, heats evenly, good size, comfortable handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe. Lasts longer, metal utensil safe. Cons: some find it heavy, no lid included, non-stick may degrade, uneven heating possible, handle design disliked, can be costly, not always truly non-stick, warranty registration issues. Features: non-stick surface, hard anodized, durable build, 8.5-inch size, black color, oven safe to 400 degrees F, dishwasher safe, induction ready, comfortable handle, lasting food release. This 8.5-inch Circulon Symmetry frying pan is black and has a non-stick surface that helps food not stick. It is made with a strong material called hard anodized, so it will last a long time. The pan can go in the oven up to 400 degrees F and can be washed in the dishwasher. It works on induction stovetops and has a handle that is easy to hold, making it a good pan for cooking that will release food easily. This 8.5-inch Circulon Symmetry frying pan is made to last with a strong build and heats food evenly. It's a good size for many cooking tasks and has a handle designed for comfort. You can even use it in the oven and clean it in the dishwasher. It's also safe to use with metal kitchen tools and is meant to last a long time. However, some people might find it a bit heavy, and it doesn't come with a lid. The non-stick coating might wear out over time, and some users have found that it doesn't always heat perfectly evenly or that they don't like the handle. It can also be a bit expensive, and some say it's not always truly non-stick. Lastly, some customers have had trouble with the warranty registration.